Accurate dilution control has never been easier or more convenient. With the mobile dispensing unit from KSS, there are no equipment purchases, installation charges, or repair costs. From disinfectants to floor cleaners, there's a mobile dispensing unit for every cleaning task. This portable one-time dilution system enables you to choose between fill rates, high flow for bucket filling and low flow for bottle filling. One portable dispensing system does it all. Fill bottles to buckets from one small, convenient dispensing system. If not already installed, attach the dual valve bleeder T device to the water supply faucet over a slop sink and turn the black knob up on the on position. Attach the water supply connection hose to the dual valve bleeder T device. Then attach the quick connect to the opposite end of the water supply hose. Attach the quick connect to the KSS mobile dispensing unit. Once connected, simply select either bucket or bottle fill by pressing the black button completely in toward the bottle center. Turn the main water supply source on and start the stream of diluted cleaner by pushing the Clear On button down to dispense product into the source container. When finished, turn off the main water supply and disconnect the mobile dispensing unit from the quick connect and reattach the orange security rings. Get versatility, accuracy, and convenience all in one cost-effective package with the KSS mobile dispensing unit.